I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. Now, following HUBER+SUHNER's acquisition of Phoenix Dynamics Ltd, I'm pleased to be joined by David Grocott, the Managing Director of HUBER+SUHNER Phoenix Dynamics, to talk about what the merger means. David, thank you for joining me today. Now, tell me a little bit more about Phoenix Dynamics and why it's such a good fit for HUBER+SUHNER.
Well, Phoenix Dynamics specializes in design, validation, prototyping, and manufacture of high-performance cable assembly solutions. We've been operating now for over 25 years, and in the last 15, we've made particular efforts into increasing our capabilities and the offering we bring to the customers and target markets. So our focus has been on offering design, validation, manufacture, and testing of our products alongside offering new technologies to the business. So we've introduced new advanced CAD systems, 3D rapid prototyping, custom designed overmolding, RF and fiber optic systems, particularly in the expanded beam arena. And this has led us to some really good success. We've won design-led contracts with the US DoD, the UK MOD, NATO directly, many first-tier integrators and other prestigious customers across many marketplaces, but the key theme being that they all require high reliability system critical assemblies. That's where our focus is. HUBER+SUHNER are a globally recognized and highly respected company supplying products into the same marketplaces. And now with Phoenix Dynamics on board, we're bringing the power of Phoenix's low frequency and fiber optic solutions to those markets where we can have the most impact. So introducing further capabilities to Phoenix will allow HUBER+SUHNER to offer full system solutions to its already large and impressive customer base. And we can now bring high performance products in RF, LF, fiber optics, electromechanical assemblies, and box build to that marketplace under a single united banner, and ultimately allow the combined forces of HUBER+SUHNER and Phoenix Dynamics to save the customer base time, money, leverage our experience and expertise to bring concepts right through design, prototyping, validation, and manufacture effectively and efficiently.
What will be the most significant impact from joining HUBER+SUHNER?
Phoenix Dynamics has always performed above expectations for a company of our relatively small size, and that's a testament to the skills, experience, and enthusiasm of our team that we've achieved so much with the limited resources available to us. But I think going forward, the most significant change now will be a vastly reduced barrier to growth and investment. And that combined with the huge global network of HUBER+SUHNER should open up opportunities that we would have struggled to engage with previously as a small company, simply due to the size, financial backing. We can now take on challenges that we may have had to consider backing away from a risk perspective, but we can now go into those eyes open, knowing the resource and support is there for us.
Will being part of HUBER+SUHNER open up new sectors that were otherwise off limits?
Absolutely, absolutely. As a very small company, Phoenix had to be really selective about where we placed our investment into growth or marketing or capital investment, and that limited us to our approach in a number of ways. For example, we could only typically focus our efforts on a single product offering or a single target market at a time, where HUBER+SUHNER are already active and very successful in all the major marketplaces that we would have been seeking out success. So now we can bring our capabilities along with any new capabilities we bring on board, along with our expertise to the forefront of HUBER+SUHNER's efforts and directly into those areas, adding to what's already being offered and providing our own unique products and capabilities.
What excites you most about being part of a bigger operation?
Well, obviously having access to those resources that were simply not available previously is a huge advantage for us, and it's very exciting to begin to see the effects that this will have on the results that we can achieve, not just as HUBER+SUHNER Phoenix Dynamics, but the overall effect that the joint effort can now have on the success of all future endeavors and larger projects or programs for all of us here at HUBER+SUHNER. It's also exciting to be part of a much larger and more diverse team. So being able to draw on each other's experience and skills and life experiences to produce an end result that's likely to be significantly more than either of us would have done separately. And both Phoenix and HUBER+SUHNER share a common culture of fostering open and honest communication and working together as a team where we recognize each other's strengths. Ultimately, I think that will lead to some great success.
What are the key challenges you are likely to see as a business over the next 12 months?
Any acquisition is stressful, and the acquisition, as you can imagine, has been a huge change for everybody at Phoenix. We're still settling into the new methods of operation and new processes, and change can often be painful, especially if it's mismanaged. So I'd say our goal for the next 12 months is to, as smoothly as possible, manage the integration of our team at Phoenix into the wider and broader team of HUBER+SUHNER, drawing on those new extended resources on offer and allowing us to solidify and strengthen our position while we begin to grow into the larger organization that is HUBER+SUHNER. And there've already been some great opportunities that we're actively working on. It's a pleasure to say that so far, while we are still adjusting on both sides, everyone involved has been extremely positive and supportive of the process. Help has been readily available on both sides. Support's been readily available on both sides. And I think this it further cements that this has been a great move for Phoenix and HUBER+SUHNER for the future. And we're really excited to push for more and more and see what we can achieve as a single united team.
David, thank you for talking to me.
Thank you.